Luxury skincare haul from Nordstrom Beauty at Topanga Mall. The gifts with purchase were incredible, honestly more generous than what I usually receive when ordering online from Dior Beauty. This time, I picked up Dior Prestige Le Micro Caviar de Rose Capture Total 1-Minute Mask, and this Capture Total skincare set for my husband. This shopping trip was truly worth it. Aside from the beautiful Dior pouches, I also received multiple travel-size fragrances and lip products, including Sauvage Elixir and Sauvage Eau de Parfum, Rouge Dior 100 Nude Look Lipstick, and Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. I also received 2 Dior star ornaments, each containing travel sizes of Miss Dior's Essence perfume, which made the gifts feel even more festive. Then there's this beautiful, soft, pink Dior pouch. Now my third in this collection, and it came filled with even more samples and beauty treats. Want to shop with my Nordstrom Beauty essay? DM or email me for her contact info. I also received this red Dior pouch, similar to the gold version. And inside were even more deluxe samples. At this point, it honestly felt like unboxing several gift sets in one shopping trip. And look at this beautiful gold Dior star pouch. There's no gift inside, but the pouch itself is so elegant and perfect to keep or travel with. One of my favorite gifts from this haul is this Dior Prestige Lumiere skincare set, including the cream and serum. These are part of my everyday skincare routine, so receiving them was an amazing bonus. Even this men's Dior pouch came with additional samples, so the gifts just kept coming. Shopping in-store at Nordstrom Beauty turned out to be such a rewarding experience, especially during gift events. It's definitely something to consider if you enjoy maximizing your luxury beauty purchases. So tell me, which Dior skincare or fragrance product is your favorite? Follow and subscribe to Soft Glam Life on YouTube for more luxury beauty hauls, reviews, and unboxings.